Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hi everyone, I'm David.
And I'm Alice.
Welcome to another fun English lesson.
Today, we're going to learn English while watching the Football World Cup.
Welcome.
The match starts at 8 o'clock tonight. The match starts at 8 o'clock tonight. I watch the World Cup with my friends. I watch the World Cup with my friends. My favorite team is playing today. My favorite team is playing today. The player kicks the ball very hard. The player kicks the ball very hard. He scores a goal. The crowd is so happy. He scores a goal. The crowd is so happy. The referee blows the whistle. The referee blows the whistle. It is half time now. Let's get some snacks. It is half time now. Let's get some snacks. The score is 1-0. The score is 1-0. That was a great pass. That was a great pass. The goalkeeper saves the ball. The goalkeeper saves the ball. The crowd cheers very loudly. The crowd cheers very loudly. The game is very exciting today. The game is very exciting today. There are only 5 minutes left. There are only 5 minutes left. The final whistle blows. The game is over. The final whistle blows. The game is over. Our team wins the match. We are so excited. Our team wins the match. We are so excited.
Thanks for learning with us.
Subscribe for more English lessons.